Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can make Add Yours template on Instagram story. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you just need to go to the story section, and you can get to it by swiping right on your screen. Once you are here, you will need to click a picture. Note that this picture can be anything random, so don't try too hard to find a decent one. After that, tap on the stickers icon at the top and select the Add Yours template sticker. Now, you just need to tap on the next button at top right corner and then type in something if you want. You can also add images or stickers if you want to. Once you are done with it, tap on the pin icon at the top and select all of the elements you want to add to your template. After selecting them, tap on the next embed and then share your story. You can see that the story has been uploaded successfully. If I try to tap on the Add Yours button, you can see that the background image is not being included. So that's basically how you can make Add Yours template on Instagram story. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.